How to use DeepSeek AI on a phone. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to any of your preferred web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are using iOS device. Once you are in this page, in the search bar, you need to search for DeepSeek AI. Now head over to the very first site, DeepSeek. It will land you on this official page of DeepSeek AI. Over here, you will be able to see two different options, Start Now and the other one is Get DeepSeek app. You can choose according to your need. If you want to use it on your web browser, then simply tap on Start Now. You will be landing on a page where you'll be able to create an account or log into a specific account. If you haven't created your account yet, then tap on Sign Up over here. But if you have already created your account, then what you want to do is enter a login credential as in your email address or the phone number, and then enter the password of your account. Once you have entered the credentials, click on this checkbox and then tap on Login. Now wait for a while for it to load. There you go, you have been successfully logged into your specific account. In this page, you will be able to see tons of different features or tools. You can use them according to your need. By clicking on this icon, you can also upload some of your files. Well, this tools is very easy to use. Now from here in this section, you can type in any of the questions that you want to ask. And within a second, DeepSeek AI will give you a logical answer for it. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use DeepSeek AI on your phone. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.